Ayan guys! Here we are now at Bat Caves with my babes! There. Here you go guys.
Babes, halika dito.
Sige, sige. Anong gagawin natin? Saan yung kapatid mo? Ayan.
1, 2, 3.
Ay, sa puzzle.
Ayan, ang dami niyan.
Ay, madami yun?
Oo.
Ayan. At least ay tatlo-tatlo. Hi, Kuya Rino! I'm here again at Batu Caves almost every year. This one is my 5 times already here at Batu Caves. With my special one. Wow! Ayun, pakainin mo yung bibs ng ano, no, ganon-ganon. Ang gandang picture. Yeah, that one is my naughty friends. She's visiting me. She loves me a lot, you know, guys. From Qatar going to Philippines and Philippines going to Malaysia. Oh my God. She just really love me. Even though how many times already I came here, it's okay. I'm never get bored because like I will going here, but different person, right? Here, then you can see that wow. There. There's so many people here, and I'm one of those people. Then, hanapin din namin yung mga kalahi ni Bebs andun sa taas.
We travel. We party.